if I buy the same put and call, when I profit if the market goes in any direction? That's a great question. So what you're talking about there is a strategy called a straddle. Okay, and a straddle looks like this, and I'll buy it for you in a second, show you what it means. So if I buy a put, just a put, okay, and the stock goes down, I make money. If I buy a call and the stock goes up, I make money. If I buy a put and a call, if the stock goes up a little bit, I lose a little bit of money. If the stock goes down a little bit, I lose a bit of money. But if the stock goes up tons or down tons over here, I don't lose any more money than the peaks of these curves. And the way it looks like is this here. So you go buy, okay, and you can buy what is called a straddle right here, okay? And so right here, what's happening is with Tesla, for example, and this is not this is live data, but this is a simulated trading, okay? With Tesla, I'd be buying a call and a put, okay? And the strike price is 575. And what that means is if the stock stays right at 575, I don't really lose much money. If it goes down a lot or up a lot, I'm protected. Okay, so I'll go here, confirm and send. And right here, the max I can lose is it says here 45K. Max profit is infinite. That doesn't make sense. Oh, it's because I had this here as well. Yeah, it's because I've got 2 orders here in the blotter. Yeah, but this will protect my capital here. And I used to do that when I worked at hedge funds for a couple of reasons. And please don't do that unless you've fully researched how to do this in practice for at least 6 months using my course materials, my MBA. But what I used to do when I worked in hedge funds and my hedge fund is I would have a big position in a company, and I didn't want people to know that I sold the shares, because every 3 months you have to report to the SEC what you own and don't own. So I would sell my shares, but I wanted people to believe I still own them. And so I would protect using a straddle, okay? And there's 35 option strategies I talk about in my MBA degree program in the 4th semester in an elective called FA44, Finance and Accounting Semester 4, class number 4. I explain these in a lot more detail, including a married put, which kind of protects you if you own a stock and it goes down a lot. And a lot of people that own a lot of shares in a company and they don't want to sell for tax reasons or whatever reasons, they can buy a put to protect you. It's called a protected put or a married put, same thing, to protect you in case a stock goes down. The most you can lose is this amount. And if the stock goes down a lot, you're basically, your loss is capped. So a lot of people will do that.